Hello dear students, this is Ejaz Sir's Maths Academy and I am Ansar sir. Today we have to solve the next question. It is question number 18. See what the question says. A motorcyclist, we have to consider that the motorcyclist behaves as a particle. So a motorcycle, because all the equations are for particle and a motorcyclist is not really a particle. We have to consider that he is a particle. A motorcyclist as a particle is undergoing vertical circular motion inside a sphere of death. So he is performing vertical circular motion. The motorcyclist is performing vertical circular motion. He goes here, he goes here. Okay. He performs vertical circular motion inside a sphere of death. The speed of the motorcycle varies between minimum and maximum. Minimum speed is 6 meters per second, means velocity at the highest is minimum. See, varies between means it changes between, and always changes between means minimum and maximum. Minimum speed is at the highest position. So his speed at the highest position is 6 meters per second. Remember, this is not the minimum. Actually, this is his speed at the topmost position is 6 meters per second. But the speed required to complete the circle may be less than 6 meters per second. He is riding at a speed of 6 meters per second at the topmost position. And at the lowest position, his speed is 10 meters per second. And his speed must be greater than root rg. That's why he is able to, at the top, his speed at the top is greater than root rg. That's why he is able to complete the circle. His speed at the lowest position is greater than root 5 rg. That's why he is able to complete the circle. So calculate the diameter of the sphere. And we have to find the diameter of the sphere. So while solving the question, we have to imagine that this is the ground level and this is the radius of the circle and this is the diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the circle. Okay. So when the motorcyclist comes to the topmost position, what will be his height from the ground level? His height from the ground level will be 2r, 2 times the radius of the circle. Let us solve. Solution. What is given? Velocity at the lowest position is 10 meters per second and velocity at the highest position is 6 meters per second. These two velocities are given. Let us now solve. See, we have studied one derivation in which we have proved total energy always remains constant. So total energy at the lowest position is equal to total energy at the highest position according to law of conservation of energy. So total energy at the lowest position means potential energy at the lowest position plus kinetic energy at the lowest position is equal to, here it will be potential energy at the highest position plus kinetic energy at the highest position. What will be potential energy at the lowest position? mg into 0, because at the lowest position the height of the person will be ground level height 0, plus kinetic energy will be half mvl square. At the lowest position the velocity is 10 meters per second is equal to potential energy at the topmost position is mgh. So m into g into 2r. Have you understood why I have written 2r? Height is 2 times the radius plus, and we have to find 2r actually. Kinetic energy will be half mvh square. It's a very simple question. See, this term will become 0 and this will become half into, they have not given mass, so we will try to cancel mass on both sides. Half mvl square. How much is vl? Lowest point, the velocity is 10. So half m into 10 square. Here it will be m is not given. G. Let us take the value of g to be 10. So that things should become easier for us. And 2r. We have to find this 2r actually. Plus half m is not given into velocity at the highest position is 6 square. Let us take m common from here and from these two. So it becomes m into 10 square is 100. 100 by 2 is 50. So it will become 50 into m. 50m is equal to 10 into 2r. M common it becomes 10 into 2r plus half into 36. Have you understood it? Or shall I write it like this? Half into 100, 10 square is 100. So it becomes 50 into m is equal to m, and this will be 10 into 2r plus 18. Will get cancelled, and what is left? 50 is equal to 10 into 2r, 10 into 2r plus 18. We will bring this 18 here. So it is 15 minus 18. 50 minus 18 is 10 into 2r. So 50 minus 18 is 32 is equal to 10 into 2r, and 32 by 10 is equal to 2r, and this 2r will be equal to 3.2 meters. And what is 2r? Diameter of the globe of death, sphere of death, 3.2 meters. So diameter of the sphere of death is 3.2 meters. Understood? Now see what a further question says. What the further question says. How much minimum values are possible for these speeds? Actually, the person has speed. The person's speed, velocity at the lowest position of the person is 10 meters per second. But how much minimum is required? He is driving here at a speed of 10. That's why he is able to complete the circle. But how much should his minimum speed be at the lowest position? So, at the lowest position, the person's minimum speed should be V minimum at the lowest position should be root 5 Rg. We know root 5 Rg is equal to root 5 Rg will be 5. And how much is R? Since diameter is 3.2, radius will be 1.6. So this is 5 into 1.6 into G 10. So it becomes 1.6 into root, it can be written as 5 into 16. 16 root 5 Rg at the lowest position. So it is 5 into 16. 16 to the 32. 32 plus 32, 64. 64 plus 16, 80. 5 6 is 30. 3 carry 5 is 5 plus 3 8. Root 80. And root 80 will be root 80 can be written as 4 into 20. Is it okay? 4 into 20. So this will be 2 root 20. Or shall I write some other value? 25 into 4 into 20. So minimum speed should be root 5 Rg. And how much is R? R will be 1.6. We have written root 5 Rg. 5 Rg. And this value is 2 root 20. And 2 root 20 is root 20 is or let us find 9 9s are 81, 8 8s are 64, 8 point something. The velocity at the lowest position should be, or shall I write 9.8? No, let it be 2 root 20 meters per second, and which will be equal to root 20. 4 5s are. We can write 2 into root 20 can be written as is equal to 2. Root 20 can be written as 5 into 4 into 5. Again this 4 will come out and this will become 4 root 5 meters per second. So this is the minimum velocity. It will be nearly 8 point something. the minimum velocity is 8 point something, but that person is driving at a speed of 10, matlab his velocity is greater than minimum velocity. That's why he is able to complete the circle. And what should be his velocity at the topmost position? At the topmost position, velocity should be minimum velocity at the highest position should be root rg. How much is r? 1.6 into 10. That becomes 16. So at the topmost position, the minimum velocity should be 4 meters per second. VH minimum should be 4 meters per second, but the person's velocity is 6 meters per second. It is greater than minimum velocity. That's why he is able to complete the circle. Pause the video and note down the derivation. Yes students, see the next question. Question number 19. A metallic ring of mass 1 kilogram. There is a metallic ring and its mass is 1 kilogram. 1 किलो की metallic ring है. It has moment of inertia 1 kilogram meter square when rotating about one of its diameters. यानी उसका moment of inertia 1 मीटर किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर आता है जब वो diameter के एक्सिस पे घूमती है. मतलब अगर ये ring है, suppose this is the ring, और अगर ये एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन, इफ दिस इज द एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the ring, अगर ऐसी एक्सिस जाती तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना रहता? mr² रहता. और अगर ऐसी एक्सिस जाएंगी तो ix, या अगर ऐसी एक्सिस जाती है तो iy. एंड यू नो ix को हम i डायमीटर बोलते हैं और इसको भी iy को भी i डायमीटर बोलते हैं. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस थ्योरम, परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस थ्योरम के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो क्या होता है, या IC को हम IZ भी बोल सकते हैं. वी हैव स्टडीड परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस थ्योरम. वो क्या बोलता है? IZ इज इक्वल टू IX प्लस IY. तो IC is equal to ID plus ID. What is D? ID is moment of inertia about any diameter. इसमें देखो दिया हुआ है. So this becomes IC is equal to 2 times ID. तो ID कितना हो जाएगा? IC upon 2 is equal to ID. तो ID is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? ID is equal to IC upon 2. और ID कितना दिया हुआ है? देखो, a metallic ring of mass 1 kilogram has moment of inertia 1 kilogram meter square when rotating about one of its diameters. यानी अगर एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन उसकी डायमीटर से पास होती है तो उसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना है? 1 है. और IC की वैल्यू कितनी रहती? mr² और बाय 2. यानी mr² बाय 2 की वैल्यू कितनी है? mr² बाय 2 की वैल्यू है 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर. mr² बाय 2 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर. समझ में आ रहा है? रिंग का परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन अगर IZ है या IC है तो mr² हो. तो मैंने बताया था मिस्टर को रिंग पहनाते हैं. और ID अगर IX और IY, देखो क्या बोले, अबाउट वन ऑफ इट्स डायमीटर्स. वन ऑफ इट्स डायमीटर्स यानी कोई भी एक डायमीटर ले लो, IX ले लो या IY ले लो. तो परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस थ्योरम बोलता है IZ इज इक्वल टू IX प्लस IY. IX पे जितनी रहेंगी उतनी IY पे रहेंगी क्योंकि दोनों डायमीटर है तो सेम ही रहेंगे. तो दोनों का ID लिख देंगे अपन. दिस बिकम्स 2 टाइम्स ID. 2 ID हो जाएगा. ये D नीचे लिख रहा है सबस्क्रिप्ट है ये 2 ID. सो दिस विल ID यानी क्या हो जाएगा? IC अपॉन 2. और IC कितना रहता? IC रहता है mr² बाय 2 और इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा ID. ID की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? mr² बाय 2. तो mr² बाय 2 और ID कितना है? 1. यहाँ लिख देंगे अपन बल्कि given ID for ring is equal to 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर. ये गिवन है. अब इसे रिंग को क्या किया इन्होंने, देखो इट इज मोल्टन. वो रिंग को आग में गर्म करे और उसको पिघलाए, उसको मेल्ट किए और उसको रीमोल्ड किए. मोल्ड करना ना, आकार देना, शेप देना. फिर से उसको मोल्ड करके शेप दिए और थिन यूनिफॉर्म डिस्क बना दिए. सेकंड टाइम क्या है? दिस इज केस 1. एंड दिस इज केस 2। सेकंड केस में क्या किए, उसको डिस्क बनाए, और यहाँ क्या थी वो केस नंबर 1 में रिंग थी, तो केस 2 में उसको डिस्क में कन्वर्ट कर दिए, उसका डिस्क बनाए। कैसा बनाए डिस्क? इनटू अ थिन यूनिफॉर्म डिस्क ऑफ द सेम रेडियस, रेडियस उसकी सेम है। हाउ मच विल इट्स मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया बी व्हेन रोटेटेड अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस? अच्छा, अगर कोई थिन यूनिफॉर्म डिस्क है ऐसा, और उसकी रेडियस r है और एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस का मतलब IC होता है, IC से एक्सिस जा रही है और डिस्क है, तो इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना होता है हम पढ़ चुके हैं। इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया होता है mr²/2। सो इसका IC कितना होगा? इट्स IC विल बी, हम लिखेंगे मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द थिन डिस्क अबाउट इट्स ओन एक्सिस is equal to mr²/2, but mr²/2 is equal to 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर होता, तो फिर क्या होगा? आंसर आ जाएगा। आंसर क्या रहेगा? mi of the thin disk about its own axis is equal to 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर।